Very good afternoon, Veronica. It's a pleasure to meet you at Lamiera 2023. And my first question will be, can you take us through what Millutensil do overall about the company?
Good afternoon. Of course, I can tell you what Millutensil is doing. Millutensil is an historical company, has 68 years of history, and we are specialized in three different lines of products. The most important and worldwide known products line are our spotting presses. Our machines are famous worldwide and they are used to make the maintenance of mold and dies and all the adjusting operation and checking and controlling.
Okay.
For the dies and mold for plastic, injection molds for die casting and for laser sheet dies. We have also developed very big spotting presses for the GIga molds for Tesla, for example.
And today is day one of Lamera. So, what sort of machines you are exhibiting? And secondly, your expectation about this show.
In Lamiera, we are exposing our second line. Our second line of machine is the green line, and it represents a machine for the automation of sheet metal. In specific, we produce coil lines that are combined with stamping press. And the third line is the yellow line and regards all around automation for the coil line, like conveyors and lubrication systems. We are in Lamiera today. I'm very glad to be here. Lamiera is a very important exhibition in Italy, and here we will show together with the other exhibitors the most important technology of the sheet and metal work of Italy.
And my last question to end up this, small chit chat, or we can say a interview, is what are your plans for India? And how do you see 2023 and Millutensil plans for Indian market? How are you looking at India?
L'utensil is in India and since about 15 years, and L'utensil is very active in India with an own office, the Italian Technology Office in Pune.
Okay.
Our office is a marketing office. And we are also present in different exhibitions like Intex or the Tagma exhibition. Millutensil is also very active in the Tagma Association. We are members of the Tagma Association.
Okay.
Active members, I can
Yeah.
say. And for the Indian market, we can say that we really believe in the growing of the next year of the Indian market.
Okay.
Our customers are top customers that produce molds, especially molds, and they require a high level of quality for their molds.
Correct.
And through the use of our machine, they obtain very high quality for them and for the final products that they have to produce with their own production of molds.
Thank you, Veronica. Thank you for your time, giving us time in your busy schedule. We at Mesmix Media wishes you a successful Lamera 2023 and look forward to see you maybe in Imtex 2024 in India.
Thank you very much for this and thank you to India.
Thank you. Thank
Ciao,
you,
ciao,
ma'am.
ciao.
Ciao.